I just installed a set of Bilstein 5100 front and rear shocks on my 2017 Toyota 4Runner. I'll put a link to those install videos in the description below. Now that the kit's complete, I figure the next step is to go down to the local dealer and do a side-by-side comparison with a stock 4Runner. Now, the Bilstein 5100s allow you to lift the vehicle up to 2.5 inches in the front and up to 2 inches in the rear. For my lift, I actually left the rear suspension sitting at that stock height, and I only lifted the front of the vehicle just under an inch, putting it at the first clip on the front shock. So not a huge difference here. It'll be interesting to see them side by side and see if you can really compare much. So doing a quick side-by-side comparison, first off here we've got my 2017 with the new set of Bilstein 5100s. Front lifted just under an inch and the rear sitting at that stock height. Levels out the vehicle pretty nicely. And then you'll see right next to it we've got a 2020 4Runner sitting at that stock height. You can definitely notice that it's got a rake with the front end of the vehicle sitting a little bit lower than the rear. To the front end, give you a quick look from that front angle side by side. You can see that the front on my 4Runner definitely sticks up a little bit taller. So the difference is definitely very subtle, but I think that additional inch in the front definitely gives the vehicle a much better look. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. For more videos of the 5th generation 4Runner, be sure to subscribe. In the meantime, thanks for watching.